Hi, I'm Sabina from Contabo. Today I'll show you how to enable HTTP2 on your server, whether you run in Apache or Nginx. HTTP2 is the modern version of the Web Foundation. It makes your site load faster, use fewer resources, and improve security. But to use it, your server needs to be properly configured. Let's dive in. HTTP2 is a major upgrade over HTTP 1.1. It allows multiple files to load at the same time over a single connection, which means your website feels snappier and more responsive. But here's the key part. HTTP2 only works over HTTPs, so you'll need an SSL certificate installed first. If you're using Apache version 2.4.17 or newer, you can enable HTTP2 with a few simple steps by typing these commands. Then, open your site's SSL config file, usually here. Inside the virtual host block, add this line. Then restart Apache with this command. Done! Apache is now speaking HTTP2. If you're using Nginx version 1.9.5 or later, and it's compiled with OpenSSL, you're good to go. Just update your SSL server block and change the listen directive like this. Then test the config with this line. And reload Nginx. And that's it. So, how do you know that it's working? You can use your browser's Network tab to check the protocol or run this command. If you see HTTP2 200, you are set. It's functioned properly. Here are some quick tips. Make sure you've got SSL enabled first. Use Let's Encrypt if you need a free SSL cert. And don't forget to test your config after making changes. If you want even more speed, you can always pair HTTP2 with Contabo Object Storage or Lightspeed for best performance. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!